Hey, donkey. What are you doing? Hi, donkey. Okay, time to take a little break at
Fire Festival 2022 Sunset Campsite, baby.
Sunset Campsite. Different kind of sunset. But yeah, so the wind was horrible last night. We slept terribly. We survived. Yeah. So hopefully tomorrow we could find a place with a little bit of cover. Wonder how these guys slept. Yeah, it wasn't good. It wasn't fun. Okay, now we're at Furnace Creek, and already it's just so much better. You know, I think we're at the peaceful part of the day, but look forward to having a fire later on, and you know, I think it's about time for a nap.